Hi, good day, Miss Annabel Padayao. Can you tell me about yourself?
Okay. Hello, ma'am. I'm Annabel Padayao, 41 years old, high school graduate. I'm married and I have 2 kids. My eldest is 19 years old and my youngest is 13 years old.
Alright, thank you. How many siblings do you have?
5, ma'am.
What is your order in the family?
Second, ma'am.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm high school graduate.
Do you have, do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience in Saudi Arabia.
In how many years?
4 years and 5 months.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. And 1 employer.
What is your employer name at your previous work?
Madam Tulud Al-Bakam.
What is your duties and responsibilities as helper?
My duties is taking care of 2 kids and cleaning the house.
Alright, thank you. How many kids did you take care of in your previous employer?
I did take care of 2 boys, 7 years old and 8 years old.
Alright, thank you. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself, I hardworking, loyal, honesty. I love cooking and baking.
Alright, thank you. Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Alright, thank you. Why do you want to work abroad?
Because of high salary.
Alright, thank you. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
Check if baby hungry and diaper as well. I will talk to them and play with kids and stay calm.
Alright, thank you. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and clap your hands. If you're happy and you know,
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please do hire me. I'm hardworking and loyalty and honesty. I will do my best for. Thank you.